In today's video, I'm reacting to a video that is called This is what you hear when you're entering heaven. I don't know what to expect from this video. I think from the thumbnail I saw like it was some sort of choir. I don't know what they're going to be singing or what's going to be happening here, but I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please say so in the comment section below so I can find more of these videos, do more reactions for you guys. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. What? That was a very short video. Like, I wish there was like a longer video of theirs that I can find. There must be like another video from them and do more reactions for you guys, because like the way they set the mood, after a few seconds of listening to them, like it felt like I was no longer listening to voices. I was listening to some sort of instrument that was playing, and then there was a kid in the background who was also adding his own vocals. And when the kid in the front came in with his deep voice, I did not expect that. Like, this was a very nice video, and if there's another video of theirs, I'll try and find it on YouTube and do more reactions for you guys. But I enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video too. If you enjoyed the video, please say so in the comment section below so I can find more of their videos, do more reactions for you guys. And until next time, peace.